Hello guys, and welcome back. So in this video I wanted to show you guys an idea how you can create a volume field that represents air being compressed by, let's say you have a building falling and it's pushing the air around it, and then that air or atmosphere changes in pressure. It's gonna start moving the dust at the ground level. So I'm gonna show an idea, probably not gonna be able to get something very interesting out of it, but the concept is gonna work. So I'm gonna repurpose this scene, and let's see, we need that source, and I'm going to scale this up. Sorry. Okay, let's go to the source, and I'm going to create a box. And VDB from polygon that. Just need a full volume, and it's full of density. Okay, actually not divergence, this guy. Let's go to the sim. Okay, we have a box filled in with smoke, and we need a ground, so let's add a ground level. And let's tweak the box a bit. Okay, cool. And I'm going to create another one. And we're going to have this fall onto the building, or onto this box. So something like that. I'm going to add a transform. And let's move the pivot. Let's set a keyframe here, and let's set another keyframe here. Okay, let's trail this. Compute velocity. Let's call this out box volume, and let's create a VDB from polygon, same like we did in week 6. So we need a surface field, and then we need to sample the velocity as well. So val and point.v. Okay, cool. Let's go to this guy, and let's increase the resolution, and let's create a source volume. It's going to be collision, and we need to change this to surface, and this to val, and this guy to -1. Let's merge the two sources together, and let's see what we get. Hopefully we're gonna get some animation. Sorry, we don't want the emission to be happening every frame, so I'm going to scale the temperature, and then here I'm going to say $f less than 2, so it only works, emits for 1 frame and stops. Cool. Okay, we have it working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the size of the domain, and I'm going to lower the density. Let's increase this, and we don't want the, for example, the idea is what we're trying to create here is the airfield surrounding the box. Let me go and make the box bigger. reduce the resolution as well. I'm gonna make this thinner. And I'm gonna set the keyframes here to start with, and then let's move it here. Okay, let's go back up. Sorry, let's go to the sim, I mean. It's cooking. Let me move the light that we have so it's easier to see. Okay. I think the density is still very high. But it's working here. I think there's a lot of cool elements. And what I'm going to do is I want more interaction in the ground. So I'm going to flip the animation of the box. And I'm going to delete this key. I want to move it here. Okay, cool. And I'm going to reduce the density of the sim. This guy, let's say 0.1. I'm going to increase the velocity to 4, actually 5. And I'm gonna run the sim and continue in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in a bit.